My ride's ready. Time to go up. Come on.
Have you ever wanted to see the world, but you didn't know how? Do you think there's nothing cool around you to explore and want to be proven wrong?
The Pacific Ocean, off the shores of Waikiki. We're gonna go swimming with the sea turtles.
Hi, I'm Scott Sheahen, a reporter who's lived in all 4 corners of the U.S., has stepped foot in all 50 states, and has been to 30 countries. Come travel with me, and I'll show you what it means to fly, how you can swim with sea turtles, and discover the history of our past. I'll teach you to be an expert for your next trip with your friends, and how easy it is to have an adventure right here on Sheahen Explorations.